Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for March 29th or March 9th to 21st. For March 9th to 13th, we have nearly a zone of flow here across much of from the east central states. We have a trough here in the west, also across the northeast, above normal heights here. And during this period, we're going to be having a storm moving through the Midwest. I'm going to show you that. This is the experimental GFS. Okay, here's the storm coming here into shape right here. This is the experimental. There's our low over Kansas, and we have snow to the north, mixture here, rain, possible storms. And then it moves into the Midwest. It gets cranking up. It deepens to 992, and then let's see if it deepens any more. Now it looks like 996 is lower. It might be a lower pressure in there. And then it spreads snow and ice here into the mid-Atlantic, rain, possible storms. Now within this, we're going to have a moist flow of Gulf moisture that will bring rain and thunderstorms to from the Gulf Coast, Ohio Valley, into the southern Appalachians. And that's the new GFS. And then we're going to look at now the operational GFS. Here's our low here. Further to the south, the other low is here. Now it's down here across Arkansas. Oh, wait, this is a storm here over Kansas. Kind of similar. And then this shows it more of a line here, 993. Storms here occurring, heavy rain, thunderstorms, snow to the north and northwest and to the west of the system. And then we get into Sunday. It kind of pushes rain. Here's the 540 line across northern New England. And here's the storm here. It gets really wound up. Heavy rain from the Gulf Coast states and points north. And then we look at the European. Kind of similar, but it takes more of a western track. But spreads rain and storms here across this region. And then we look at the European ensembles. Kind of similar with the more western track and bringing rain and storms. This will probably be snow here on the backside of the system. We're going to have a trough developing off the west coast this weekend. It will support another round of precipitations over the southwest. Here's our system here. You can see rain and snow across portions of the southern Rockies. And additional rain might spread into the central and southern plains and the Midwest. Okay, March 12th to 16th. The pattern is forecast transition to a trough in the west and a ridge in the east. Start out here. Here's our trough. And then we go to the period, you start seeing the ridge starts to build. Kind of have a westerly flow here. Here's our trough. So most of the models forecasting that. So during this forecast period, forecasting below normal temperatures here. And I'm forecasting numbers of at least 6 degrees below normal. And above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting numbers of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence 35 to 45%. And we have above normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is up to 55%. Now we're going to look at the period for March 17th to 21st. And most of the models are indicating a ridge along the west and the east coast. We'll get to that. I'll show you that. Here's our ridge, and then there's a trough in between. But the GFS is forecasting a ridge trough configuration. That's the outlier and was not used. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures, generally west of the divide. Forecasted numbers of 4 degrees above normal, and below normal temperatures are forecast for this region. Probability of occurrences, the forecasted numbers of 4 to 8 degrees below normal are forecast. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this area here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And then we have above normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for March 9th to 21st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.